What's up, everybody? I'm back here with the new video. Today I'm going to be doing impressions on cartoon and video game characters. So drop the comment down below on which one you like best, or if you want me to do an impersonation of any other characters or in a video game or even actors, drop their name down below. I'll get to practicing it and then I'll make a video of that later on as well. But for right now, subscribe if you're not subscribed, drop a like, comment below, share with your friends. Let me know what you guys think, and let's just get straight to it.
Guess who?
Guess who?
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
It's me, Mario.
It's a Mia, a Mario. Let's go. Wow! Mamma mia!
Muriel, I'll save you!
Muriel, I'll save you. Muriel, I'll save you.
The things I do for love.
The things I do for love.
Watch where you're going, you fool!
Watch where you're going, you fool.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I'm Luigi,
I'm Luigi.
number one.
Number one.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Ho 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 ho.
Ho ho ho.
Hi.
Hi.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Acha!
Achoo!
What's up, Doc?
Yeah. Hey, Doc.
Just a minute, partner. You can't talk to me like that. Them's fighting words.
Just a minute, punk. You can't talk to me like that. They're just fighting words.
Waluigi time.
It's Waluigi time. Waluigi.
Wah.
Wow.
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 Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.